There are different pre-existing medias that you can set inside a Pixlr Designer that you can add in onto your design as well. So to do that, over here from the left hand side, click on media, and over here there's different pre-existing medias as you can see right here. So you can simply click on one of them right here, just like this, and what happens is that it gets downloaded and it gets added in over here onto the project, just like this, as you can see. Like there's this cake over here as well. So as I click, it gets downloaded, as you can see right here. So it's loading right here, and then it'll get added onto the media right here. So it's loading, as you can see right here, and now the media, the cake, that is the cupcake, is added in, and you can freely use this. What you can also do is you can search for different medias right here. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and type in computer, let's say, for example, and press enter, and then you get relevant medias right here, just like this. Let me just go around over here onto TV right here, just like this. So there's not much medias right here, as you can see. Let me just say education right here, and then education related medias will pop up over here. So you can see that this is what you have right here. So now you can see that educator is here, so you can simply go around and click and then download it out over here onto your Pixlr Designer workspace. So you can see that it is downloaded, and this is what you have, and these are all free to use for your design. So that is how you can go around and search and use pre-existing medias inside of Pixlr Designer. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.